Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Mac OS version and closing Teams completely. This prevents conflicts during the update. Once done, open Finder and go straight to Applications. Locating the Teams app prepares you to trigger an update manually. You do this because automatic updates sometimes delay. Starting here puts control in your hands. Make sure you have an active internet connection and save any work. Then proceed to the next steps to replace the app with the latest installer. Next, download the latest Teams installer with Safari or Chrome. This ensures you get the official package. Once the PKG or DMG finishes, double-click it and follow the prompts. Authenticate with your admin password when requested. If you mounted a DMG, drag the new Teams icon into Applications and choose Replace when Mac OS asks. If you used a PKG, the installer writes files directly. Doing this replaces older binaries and updates app helpers, which fixes performance and security. Finally, launch Teams from Applications and sign in, then confirm the version under Settings about to verify success. If Teams fails to open, restart your Mac. This clears locked files and hung processes. Also check Activity Monitor and force quit any remaining Teams helpers. If problems persist, clear the Teams cache in your User Library Application Support folder to remove corrupt local data. If you still see errors, reinstall using the installer you downloaded. That typically resolves remaining conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.